in today's video, we're going to talk about the upcoming severe weather for tonight and tomorrow morning. But before we can get into this video, I would ask you to subscribe to the channel if you are interested in watching daily weather forecasts, and make sure to share this video with any friends or family that might also be interested in watching daily weather forecasts. But anyways, let's get right into this video. So right now we're looking at the severe weather risk for tonight. We've actually got a slight risk for severe weather. They have extended this a little further into even reaching up into southern Kansas there. That's going to be the main threat of severe weather for tonight. Also, the marginal risk of severe weather, which is a more isolated risk, but you still do have that risk for some severe weather within that dark green shaded area. In the general thunderstorm risk, which is in the light green area, that's where you're expecting general thunderstorm development, but not any severe thunderstorm development is possible within there. You can look at tornado risk, which is very low here. There's only a 2% risk of tornadoes within the green area, more widespread than yesterday. Yesterday, it was about that area, but now it's reaching into, even up here into Oklahoma City area there. That's where we're expecting possibly one or two isolated tornadoes are possible within this line of storms, and these storms are going to happen pretty much overnight. So this is where you're definitely going to have a way to get those warnings out, because this is going to happen when probably all of you are sleeping. That's significant risk of hail within that area. That's up to baseball-sized hail within the hatched area, up to golf ball-sized hail within the yellow shaded area, and up to quarter-sized hail within the green shaded area there. You got the wind risk. Let's get this up here. The wind risk is also pretty high. You got a significant risk up to 70 miles per hour of wind gusts within these storms within that hatched area, up to 60 mile per hour wind gusts within the yellow shaded area, and up to around 40 mile per hour gusts within the green area there. Tomorrow morning's risk is also a slight risk of severe weather there for parts of Louisiana, Mississippi, and Texas. That's where we're expecting the most severe weather to happen within the yellow area and the green area. That's where we're expecting more, also some severe weather. In the general thunderstorm risk, where you're not expecting any general thunderstorm development, well, you're not expecting any severe thunderstorm development, but you're still expecting some possible general thunderstorms, but not anything too bad within that area. Also, tornado risk with that is a 2% risk of tornadoes within the green shaded area. And the hail risk, only a 15% chance, not any significant risk, but you could definitely see some golf ball sized hail within the yellow area and quarter sized hail within the green shaded area. The wind risk also is a 15% chance, a little more widespread than the hail risk, but you got up to 60 mile per hour gusts within the yellow shaded area, and up to 40 mile per hour gusts within the green shaded area. You can look at the simulated future radar for this severe weather. Alright, so we're looking at around the late afternoon hours of today. You're going to start to see some cells actually early this afternoon develop in parts of Texas. Those shouldn't be too severe, possibly some break hail produces within some of those. But that isn't the main storm threat. And then you get into the late evening tonight into overnight hours. You really start to see this line of storms really start to develop and blast south, kind of southeasterly direction. It's going to be its strongest in that type of area once it gets around 1 a.m. tonight. And then you're going to see these storms really just roll through, getting to the Dallas-Fort Worth area. You might get some strong storms tonight as well. This line keeps on going. Definitely you see it weakens a little bit there. And then you get into around the very early morning hours of tomorrow, and still some pretty strong storms, heavy rain with those, and maybe some pretty stronger storms within the Mississippi, northern Mississippi area there. And then you get into tomorrow, you start to see these more storms tomorrow, around midday, around 12 p.m. You start to see the storms develop in parts of Mississippi, Alabama, Louisiana. in that type of area where that slight risk is, you will see some pretty strong storms moving through. Not as bad as tonight, but definitely you could see some pretty decent sized hail with those, and that moves through, and that weakens by the time it gets to around the Florida Panhandle area there. If you did enjoy this video, I would ask you to subscribe to the channel if you are interested in watching daily weather forecasts, and make sure you share this video with any friends or family. But anyways, stay safe.